How to insert logo in CapCut. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Import your video, and then you'll find overlay option on bottom beside text and effects. Click on overlay, then click on add overlay. Simply add your logo by choosing on gallery. You can also remove background of your logo by simply clicking on cut out. If not, simply add the same logo. Select the place where you want to add this logo to. After that, you're good to go. Simply go ahead and save your video. This is how to insert logo in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.